Hi there, I'm Kate and I'm going to tell you about our online preparation course for IELTS academic writing. We are Grade Education Centre, the biggest authorised platinum exam centre for Cambridge Assessment English exams. We have been preparing students for IELTS, both academic and general modules, for more than 10 years now. And so far, we have helped more than 8,000 people increase their score by at least 1 point, which means that if they come in with a 6.0, they leave us with a 7.0, or if they come in with a 6.5, they leave with a 7.5. So why did we decide to create this course? Our experience shows that writing is the most challenging part of the academic module. And many online preparation courses provide you with an overview of the section and an overview of the tasks, and lots of useful tips and tricks and strategies. However, having provided you with this undoubtedly important information, they normally leave you there with all the knowledge and skills you required to apply on your own. So what does our course involve? Our online preparation course will provide you with an opportunity to practice every single type of writing task 1 and writing task 2 you might get on the academic module. All tasks can be done online from any device at any time that's convenient for you, and you will get online support from an IELTS teacher. We hope that our online course will help you achieve your academic and professional goals, and we wish you best of luck in your IELTS exam.